So if you'll observe here, in last class I have told you isomers in alkanes and isomers in alkanes till C is equals to 1 to C is equals to 10 we have been discussed. Is it as correct? So
Yes, sir.
C1, 2, 3, there is no isomers. If you want to form the isomers, C must be started from where? C must start
4.
from 4, correct? And
4, sir.
we have been studied in the case of alkanes. So even I have told you the shortcut to remember till C is equals to 7. After that, you have to remember it. So that is what we have been studied in the last class. So now coming to here, the next one is isomerism in alkenes. So as I said already, alkenes means in the sense of what guys it is at least one double bond. Is it yes or no? So in alkenes, the isomerism rises due to the change in the position of double bond. What is that? Due to the change in the position of double bond alone. Do you understand it? Means carbon-carbon double bond will be there. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this double bond will keep on changing the position between the carbon and carbon. So due to that only, we can say it will form different kind of isomers. So here also, the number of carbon starts from the isomerisms in alkenes also, N is equals to 4 only. So from where the isomers will start? N is equals to
N is equal to 4.
Understand? So now, for example, if you take 4 carbons, so as we know, somewhere one double bond is present. Is it yes, guys? This is what alkenes we can say. Yes or no? So now these double bond will change to the position here and here like that. Then we can say based on the changing the position of double bond, we can say isomerism in alkenes. So the isomers arises due to the what? In alkenes, guys, because of changing the position of double bond, only we used to get different forms of structures. That is what we can say isomers of alkenes. Are you clear, everybody? For example,
Yes, sir.
let us start with the butane. So now, if we'll take butene, what is the formula, guys? Butane, anybody can say C4H8. Is it yes or no? Butene. Nobody will respond. So butene, what is the general formula? CnH2n, correct or not? CnH2n.
CnH2n.
Yeah, CnH2n. If you take C4, H into 2 into 4, so which is equals to C4, 4 2s are 8. So we is to get C4H10. Is it okay, guys? So now butane, if you take, so what is the butene? What is the formula? We have to keep 4 carbons first. So now, how many double bonds, guys? How many double bonds? So we want
One double bond.
bond.
One
Clear?
double bond.
One double bond. So remaining remaining hydrogens, let me see. So here how many hydrogens will come? 3 hydrogens. Yes or no?
Hydrogen, sir.
3 hydrogens. Second one, 2 hydrogens. And the third one you can check it. 2 plus 1, 3 is there. So only 1 hydrogen will come. Already 2 bonds are there. So that how many hydrogens will come? 2 hydrogens will come.
Hydrogen.
That is. So now count total number of hydrogens. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it correct or not? So hydrogens is equals to 8, carbons is equals to 4. So that our formula is correct. So this is what the first structure. Is it okay, guys? Now you notice it. As I said, wherever double bond is coming, always that carbon should get lowest possible number. What is that, guys? Lowest
Possible.
number. So now according to that, name it 1, 2, 3, 4. So now where the double bond is present between first carbon and second carbon. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
So that is why this one is called as, what is the general name of this one? Butane. Yes or no? But this one, it is the double bond is present at the first carbon. So we can say, but one ene. So this is what the name of this isomer. Understanding? Butene. Understanding? That is what the general name. So here, 1 and 2 ends represents the position of double bond in carbon chain. That is what you have to understand. Now, the same double bond will move between 2 and 3. Then we can see how it will call. So you can tell me C, single bond, C. So now carbon double bond will move where? Here it will move. Is it okay, guys? Here it will move. That is what you have to understand. So now you can check it. So number of hydrogens, how many will come down? Here, how many? Please respond. So here, 3. Now here already 3 bonds are there. So 1 hydrogen will come. Already 3 hydrogens are there. Sorry, 3 bonds are there. 1 hydrogen will come. Here 1 bond. So we used to get how many? 3 will come. Is it okay?
3.
So now 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Is it sufficient, correct or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now what we can name this one? Anybody can say. Here you can see the bond should come lowest possible number. So it is in middle. So any direction we can go. Yes or no? So let us come with this direction or this direction. Your choice. Left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you come this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So both always in between 2 and 3 only. Correct. So any direction we can come. So what is the name it will come? Anybody can say. But 2-ene. This is what the isomer of butene. Are you understand, everybody? Butene. This is the name. Please call to others. Ashika, understand, Ashika? This is what isomerism in alkenes. So alkenes, by changing the position of double bond, we used to get the isomers. This is what isomerism in alkenes. That is. Have you understand, guys? But only alkenes alone is enough for us. But this is for your idea. Just for idea only we are studying this. So please write it. Isomerism in alkenes. Isomerism in alkenes. Yes.
Sir, only it will form straight chain, sir.
Yeah, but this alkene cyclic, we are cyclic and all, it will not. We are cyclics, we will study already. Cyclics and all, it won't come isomerisms. Understand? Only branched change, but cyclic another level that we will study only in 12th class. Cyclic also bonds will change as positions. That we will study. Now this level is not at all required, and they will never touch you in exams also. You know it all. Even this also they won't ask. Only still alkanes they will ask. But just for one example, we'll study so that you will be having an idea. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Pranav, are you understand, Pranav, this one? Aishwarya?
Sir, in C4, only the numbers will change, sir. Butene and ene is the same in all C4H8.
Ene will never change. Everything ene, always. Okay. Who asked that? Yalnia.
No, sir, Kritika, sir.
Always see alkenes, enes that will never change. Carbon C4, so that is also will never change. Because we are, what is the parental chain here? Maximum number of carbons 4 only, correct. So it will come always, but and this is double bond, so ene definitely will come. But only the position of this number indicating position of double bond. Is it okay, Krutika? This number indicating only position of double bond. Is it okay? Nothing we are doing. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now please write.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in alkenes, the isomerism, Pranav, understand, Pranav? In alkenes, the isomerism arises due to the position of double bond, and change in carbon chain. So example butene. What is the formula of butene, guys? C4H8.
C4H8.
H8. So always here also, while you are writing the naming of carbons, so that double bond carbon should get what? Lowest possible number. That is what you have to remember. That always, are you clear, everybody? So draw these two structures. Always the carbon, wherever it is coming, the double bond, it must, like before alkanes, what we have studied, wherever the alkyl group is coming, that we have to get it the lowest possible number. Is it yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in alkyl groups, wherever it is coming the smallest possible number, in alkanes, that we have to get lowest possible number. And here we have to get where the double bond is present, that carbon should get lowest possible numbers. This is what we can say isomerism in alkenes. Clear? Now, next one is what? Isomerism in
Alkyne.
Alkynes.
Alkyne.
isomerism in alkynes. So this is also similar to alkenes only. So that is what. So next concept is homologous series, but that is very important concept. Definitely question will come. Please make others also. That is what everybody. So now coming to here, isomerism in alkynes, you can see. So isomerism alkynes due to arises what? Anybody can say. Here double bond. Next what will come? Alkynes
Triple bond.
alkynes
Triple
means
bond.
the triple bond.
Triple bond.
Yes or no? So as we people know,
Yes, sir.
this is what the structure of alkenes, alkynes. So by based upon the changing of triple bond, we used to get the isomerism. So alkynes isomerism is arises due to change in the position of triple bond. Understanding? Position of triple bond. And here also, while you are naming the carbon, always the triple bond carbon should get lowest possible number. Are you understanding, everybody? So there.
Yes, sir.
So now here also n is equals to where? N is equals to, it starts from 4 only.
4.
So 1, 2, 3, no isomers are present. So n is equals to 4. So what is the general formula of alkynes? Anybody? General formula of alkynes, Akshaya? Cn
CnH2n minus 2.
minus.
H2n
Very good. So
minus
if you
2.
take C4, H into 4 minus 2, we used to get C4, H8 minus 2, which is equals to C4, H6. That is it yes, guys? So now, so as we know, if you write C4H6, what is the common name of C4H6? Anybody? What is the common name of this? Butane. Yes or no? Butane is the common name. So now let us go with the isomers of this one. So now anybody can say isomers. First you have to draw what? 4 carbon chains. Yes or no? So now
Yes.
let us keep, now triple bond is here for the first and second carbon. So now you notice it. So let us number of hydrogens will give. So now how many hydrogens come here? You have to speak 3 here. 2 bonds are there. So 2 hydrogens. Now here this carbon, any hydrogen will come? Anybody? Any hydrogen will
No,
come for
sir.
this?
Already 4
No.
bonds are there.
Why? Already 3 plus 1, 4, it is already loaded. So no hydrogen will come for this. But this one, 3 already is there. So 1 hydrogen is
One
one
hydrogen.
hydrogen will come. So count number of hydrogen 6. Is it matching or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is. So now naming of carbons 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now numbering of carbon. So if you notice it, what is the name will come for this one? Anybody? But 1 wine. Understand?
Fine.
That is what the naming of this one. So like this, now modify. Bring the triple bond into where? Middle, second carbon and third carbon. Now you can notice it. So number of hydrogens, how many first carbons? Tell me.
3.
3 hydrogens here. Already 1 plus 3. How many? 4 bonds over. And here also 3 plus 1, 4 bonds over. And the last carbon again, how many will
3
come?
hydrogens.
3
hydrogens.
hydrogens.
Very good. Understand? Ashika, Aishwarya, that is. So now what is the name will come here? Number, giving number to the carbon. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So any side, same thing will come. So now what we people will do, guys?
2, sir.
Yes.
Blood 2.
But plus 2 plus wine. That is what it is. Isomerism in alkynes. Alkynes, it will start with because of due to the changing position of what, guys? Position of triple bond. Understand? Position of triple bond, it is used to happen. So we have to remember this one like this. Now, just we'll write for the pentene so that you people can understand. So pentane, we usually pentane one number of isomers, how many? Let me see who will say. Pentane, I am asking. Pentane, how many? Number of isomers?
3.
3.
3.
Before me, how to say? After me, not. Before me, pentane number of isomers are how many? 3. So like that, I'm not talking about pentane. Now I will talk with what? We're talking about what? Pentyne. Understanding? So pentyne, what is the formula, guys? Pentyne. C5H8. This is what you people are doing. So you won't even remember anything. Important things also you won't remember. So pentyne. So we know that pentyne, how many are there? How many isomers are there for pentyne? 3 isomers. Yes? That is what we have to
Yes, sir.
remember. So now, let us go with how many carbons, Ra? 5 carbons. Yes or
5
no?
carbon.
Yes, 5 carbons.
sir.
So where you want to keep the double bond first? We have to keep the double bond. Where? We'll keep the double bond.
Last, sir. Last.
Understand? So this is what the thing. So now you can balance hydrogens. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens. Next 2 hydrogens. Next here also 2 hydrogens. Next here in this carbon how many? 3 plus 1 already 4 it is filled. So last 1 hydrogen will come. So count it 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it balanced or not, guys? Balanced.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So now you can write the naming. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. So what is the name will come? Anybody can say? Pent 1 wine. Do you understand?
Wine.
That's all. So now this bond will comes to changes into where? This bond will changes into in between 2 and 3. Clear everybody?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the second structure will come. C triple bond. Yeah, we can write, let me write to 5 carbons now. So here triple bond will come. So now, see next triple bond won't shift. Why? You can notice it. This side or this side, same structure. Is it yes or no? Just triple bond position may change. From this side second carbon or this side second carbon, all same only correct. Now from this side, if you'll observe, this is a third carbon and the second carbon. From this side, if you'll observe, again it will come third carbon and second carbon. Is it yes, guys? For example,
Yes,
here.
sir.
Here you can keep triple bond. Both structures are same. Have you noticed it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that
Yes,
is
sir.
why it won't shift. That's all. So now this is after this, it will change another structure that I will say. So both are same only. So now number of hydrogens, how many? Tell me. You have to tell me. I am not. So this is what?
3, sir.
Yeah, 3. So next what will come?
2.
2.
2 hydrogen, sir.
2 hydrogens. Next one, number of hydrogens already balanced.
No hydrogens.
1 4, 3 plus 1 4 balanced. Last one we used to get again.
3.
That's
3, sir.
so that is. So now you can notice it carbon number. So lowest possible numbers we have to give 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. So if you notice it, so here what will come? Second, pent 2 wine. That's all. Pent 2 wine is the answer. So now if we'll modify into the next here, again the same structure will come. So by the time we'll name it like this 1, 2, 3. Is it yes, guys? 3, 4, 5. So again similar. So that structure and this structure both are same. So it is having another isomer. That isomer I will draw. You people need to make it. So now how is the another isomer means like this? You can see here. Naming will change. This is what a branched chain. Somebody asked me correct now, sir, it won't form branched chain. Yes, it will. So now this is what from pentane it will start. So now you can see here. Here name will changes. Now here this carbon is having a branched one. That is what CH3. So now hope you all understand. So now not this one. So this is wrong. Here it will come. Here it is again. See, this is what the structure of third isomer of pentyne. So now number of hydrogens will try to balance it. So number of hydrogens try to balance it. So now here how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Now here how many? 1 and 2 and 3 bonds are there. So one more hydrogen. Next already 4 bonds are there and already this 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen. So now here how many will come, guys? Here branched chain. Have you noticed it? I am writing branched.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So now Again, I'm saying here also, always you have to remember a triple bond wherever it is present, that carbon should get lowest possible number. Lowest possible number.
Possible number.
Now, this is what straight chain or branched chain this is. Straight or branched chain?
Branched.
Branched chain. Please respond.
Yes, sir. Branched chain.
Branched chain, correct? So now branched chain means how to name it, what I said. Which carbon it is having a methyl alkyl group? Which carbon it is having an alkyl group?
Third.
Third
Three.
Carbon. So it will come 3. And what is that group? What is that group? Methyl. Understanding? 3 methyl. And what is the parental chain, guys? What is the parental chain here? 1, 2, 3, 4 maximum. What is that?
But.
Bute. And
Bute.
where is the triple bond is present? Where is the triple bond is present? Where is the triple bond is present? First carbon. So 1 wine. This is what the name. So once again I will say, all of you observe. So now first branched, where it is having a branch, alkyl group. Third carbon it is having alkyl group. So 3 will come. Next, what is the alkyl group? What is that alkyl group? Methyl. So that methyl will come. Next, what is the parental chain, guys? Number of carbons, how many? Maximum. Longest chain, how many?
But, sir.
4.
4.
So that is why bute will come. And next, where the triple bond is present? Triple bond is present between first carbon and second
1
carbon.
and 2.
So 1
1.
wine will come. That is what the third isomer of pentyne. Are you clear, everyone? Pranav, Prahasini, Sutir?
Yes, sir.
That is. So please all of you noted this. This is what 3 methyl. Understanding, but 1 wine. So like this, we people need to write isomerism in alkynes and isomerism in alkenes. So please write it. So isomerism in alkynes will changes by changing the position of triple bond, and alkenes by changing the position of double bond. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please write it. Till here you complete it, then we'll proceed further. So now last concept we are going to study, that is what the very important concept, homologous series. Dilipan, are you understand Dilipan this one? Himaira? That is. So please make it. Yes.
Complete it.
Completed, everyone? No. The next concept which we are going to study is very, very important concept, but this is the more silly concept which we are studying in the chapter. But this is what it is, very important concept, because still here we have last concept also there, that is also we'll study. So that is only homologous, HOMOLOGOUS, homologous series. So what is this homologous series, and what is the properties of this homologous series? That is all we'll study now. So if you are completed that, then we'll start and we'll study this. Shall we start, guys? Homologous series. Nothing, very simple. Already we have been studied this, but still we have to, I will say. Can I say, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you may be notice it. For example, if we'll take, so we have studied 3 kinds of things. What is that? Organic compounds are 3 types based upon the, what is that? 3 types. Can you say anybody? 2, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons.
Unsaturated.
Under saturated hydrocarbons, we used to get what? Alkanes. And
Alkenes.
under unsaturated, we used to get what?
Alkenes and alkynes.
Alkynes. Is it yes or no, guys? So now you will notice it. This is only, we can say, even examples of homologous series also. So now let us observe what is the exact meaning of homologous series and how it is finding, that is, we'll see properties also. So please observe very carefully, guys. Homologous series means, if you'll observe, which all the member compounds can be represented by the same general formula, and each successive members differs by some number of carbons. And the first day of carbon compound chapter I told you. So each one compound to another compound in group, they used to vary by CH2 group. Are you understand everybody? That is what we are going to learn now. So what is this? Let us understand very carefully. Now first with the example I will say. So definition later you can understand. So what is number of alkenes? Anybody can say alkenes example? Please respond. Alkenes examples. Tell ya. Alkenes examples what? CH4.
CH4.
CH4 what? Next C2H6.
Methane.
C3H8.
C3H8.
Say C4.
C4H10.
Next
10.
C5.
C5H12.
H12.
Next one
P6
C6H14.
C6H14.
H14.
C7H.
Yes. This is only we can say ethane.
C7H.
Yes, ethane. Sorry, methane, ethane, propane, butane,
Propane.
butane,
Pentane.
Hexane.
Hexane.
C7H16.
Methane. Pentane. Hexane.
C8H.
Heptane.
What is that? H.
H18, sir.
And yes, C9H20.
H20.
What?
C10 H22.
C10H22.
P10H22.
Till here, any doubt, guys? This is what we can
No
say.
doubt.
Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nano.
Nanane and decane.
Clear, guys? Now, observe very carefully. Let me see. You all should respond and you all should answer. Now, let me take from methane to ethane. Methane and ethane. Is it okay, guys? Methane and
Yes, sir.
ethane. So now what is the formula of methane, guys? CH4. Clear?
Four.
And what is the formula of ethene? C2H6. Now, what is the difference? You check it. Number of carbons, what is the difference? Number of carbons difference is 1. Number of hydrogens difference is how much, guys? 2. That's all.
2.
So, vary by how much, Ra? They used to vary by how much?
Okay.
Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, from class 9th chemistry, what is the mass of atomic mass unit? What is this? What is the mass unit of this CH2? Can anybody say? Carbon is what? Number of carbons are 1. So 1 into 12 plus number of hydrogens are 2. So 2 into 1, which is equals to how much, guys? 12 plus 2, which is equals to 14 mass unit. Is it yes, guys? 14 mass unit there varies. Will you accept it? Please respond. 14 mass unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what. So from methane to ethene, they are varying by which formula, guys? They are varying by CH2 and mass unit is 14 mass unit. Will you accept it? Please respond. Next.
Yes, sir.
Ethane, what is the formula? Ethane, C2H6, correct?
C2H8.
Ethane after. Propane, what is the formula? Propane, what is the formula?
C3H8.
H8. Now, again, what is the difference between carbons? Please respond. Carbons difference is
1, sir.
what?
1.
Number
One.
of hydrogens, how many?
2.
2. That's all. So again, this 2 also varies by what? This 2 also varies by
CH2.
CH2. And what is the mass unit? 14 mass unit.
14.
14 mass unit.
Mass unit like this. This is only called as homologous series. Are you understanding? Similar chemical
Yes.
formula and variation by CH2. And what is the mass unit? 14 mass unit. You can check next two compounds. What is the difference between these? C4 and C5. C, hydrogens, CH2. These two you can check it, CH2. These two you can check it, CH2.
H2.
These two you can check it, CH2. These two you can check it. Everything is varies with the CH2 only. Are you clear, guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
This is what we can
Yes,
say.
sir.
Homologous series. Nothing is big. Very simple. This is what we can say. Homologous series. Pranav, understand Pranav or sleeping? Clear? So which is having a same chemical formula, similar, understanding, a common chemical formula, which is differs by what, guys? Which is differs by CH2, which is differs by CH2, and mass is what? 14 mass unit. This is what we can say homologous series. So as we know, what is the general formula of homologous series of alkanes? Homologous series of alkanes. Alkanes, CnH2n plus 2. Is it okay, guys?
Plus 2.
CnH2n plus 2. Now, let us go with alkenes. Anybody can say alkenes? Alkenes will start from where? No methane. So where will start from? You have to speak. I won't speak. Where it will start from? N is equals to 2, it will start.
Equal to
Yes or no? So now where is the formula will come? You have to tell C2H4, next
C2H4, C3H6,
C4H8,
C4H8,
C5H10,
C5H10,
C6H12.
C6H12,
Like this, keep on.
C7H14.
Okay. Now, this is what we can say. Ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene and all. Now, what is the difference between them? Check it. Number of carbons, what? Number of hydrogens are what? 2. Next, these two, you can check it. 1, number of hydrogens 2. These two, number of hydrogens 2, number of carbons 1. These two also, number of carbons are 1, number of hydrogens are 1. Have you noticed it, guys? So,
Sir.
this is what? Alkenes. So, what is the general formula of alkenes? CnH2n. Yes or no?
CnH2n.
H2n.
Yes, sir.
So again, this also varies by what? This also varies by what? 1 carbon and another 2 hydrogen, CH2. So this also mass unit is how much? 14 mass.
14 mass unit.
14 mass units. So this alkenes is called as another homologous series. What do you used to call? Another
Homologous series.
Now, are you people understand what do you mean by homologous series? Same
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
understanding, same chemical formula, general chemical formula, but number of they will be differs by what? They will be differs by
CH2.
1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. That is what we can say CH2. Now, alkynes, everybody, alkynes also will start from where? We people know. What is the general formula of alkynes? Cn, H2n,
CnH2n minus 2.
Minus 2.
yes or no? So general formula starts from where? N is equals to 2 only. So it will start from where, guys? C2H4.
H4.
C2H, H4 only. Sorry, no, not C2H4. C2H2.
Sir, H4.
Yes. C2H2. Next, C3H4. Next, C4H6. Next,
6.
C5H. Next, C6H10. Is it as guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Akshay. So now if you notice it, this is what we can say, ethine. And this is what we should say, guys, propyne.
Propine.
No. So now you check it. What is the difference between them? Number of carbons 1, number of hydrogens 2. What is the difference
2.
between them? Number of carbons 1, number of hydrogens 2. What is the difference between them? CH2. What is the difference between them? CH2. Is it okay, guys? Please.
Yes, sir.
So like this, all the homologous series. Then this all the alkynes also we can say what? Another example of homologous series.
Homologous series.
Yes or no? Homologous
Yes,
series.
sir.
This is what we can say homologous series. Any doubt, Ram?
No, sir.
Yes. Simple concept,
No
but
doubt, sir.
it looks very big, but actually the easiest one is this. But we have to learn the properties of that. So that properties, already 2 properties you learned. What is the properties? It always will differs by what? It always differs by what, guys?
CH2. 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen.
Understanding. It will always differs by CH2, 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. And also mass is how much? Mass is 14.
14 mass units.
14, sir.
Understand. Clear, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Write the things. We'll proceed. Right. First, homologous series. Homologous series. Right. Homologous series is a group of. Here I'll write. Homologous series is a group of what it is? Organic compounds. Yes or no? Group of organic
Yes, sir.
compounds. Organic compounds having similar structure. Having what?
Similar structure.
Having similar structure and similar chemical properties. And what?
Similar physical properties.
No, similar chemical properties. Similar chemical properties. All alkenes and alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes having similar properties. Alkenes having similar properties. Alkynes having similar properties. Will you accept that, guys? Yes or no? So similar
Yes,
sir.
chemical properties. Similar chemical properties. Chemical properties in which The successive compounds. What do you mean by successive? Again, I am using a word.
Next.
called- What?
Next.
Yeah, side by side. Understanding. Next by next. So successive compounds will differ by how much? Akshaya, Sutir, compounds differ by what, guys? Arvind?
CH2, sir.
CH2.
Yes, differ by CH2 group or what? Or 14 mass unit.
14 mass unit.
This is what we can say homologous series. Is it okay, guys? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear, everybody? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now, example of homologous series, you can write. Example. What is the examples? Alkanes, next. Alkenes, next. Alkynes. So all are examples of what? All are examples of homologous series. Clear, everybody?
Homologous series.
And understand or not? Now, write
Yes, sir.
example of homologous series of alkanes. Just for your purpose, you have to write it in notes. Till 10 you are convenient, you can write, or else you can write till 5 at least. So homologous series of alkanes. What is the general formula? Everybody. CnH2n.
CnH2n
plus
minus 2.
General formula. So 5, anybody can write 5. What is the 5? Methane. It will start from methane. Next one. Ethane. Next one. Propane.
Propane,
Next one. Butane.
butane,
Is
pentane.
so exam like this only they will ask you question. Are you clear, guys? They
CH4,
will ask you what is
C2H6,
and give example. Is it okay, guys?
C3H,
Will you able to understand? Everyone.
C4H10.
So in
Yes,
exam,
sir.
they will ask you what is homologous series, give any example. So by that time we have to write like this. Or else they will ask you, write the properties of homologous series. That I will say, you have to write it. So this is what? Homologous series of what, guys? Homologous series of
Alkane.
Alkane,
Alkane.
next one. Homologous series of what will come?
Alkene.
Series of alkenes. Alkenes. What is the general formula?
CnH2n.
CnH2n. That's all. So
CnH2n.
now you can proceed. So is it meth will present? No meth is.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No meat is present, sir.